Sorry. I'll just move.
What now, sir?
We'll have to stick to the road. Let's follow the 1328. There's bound to be a hospital in Dingham.
Look after him, Tucker. Look after him.
I think we're losing him, sir.
We can't lose him, Tucker. He's our only lead. Try something else.
Don't give up on us, baby. Lord knows we've come this far.
Look, we are the angel and the dreamer. Da 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 da.
Don't give up on us, I know. We can still come through. Don't give up on us, baby. Don't give up on us, baby. We can still come through. Look, sir. Follow the ambulance.
Good idea.
Don't give up on us, baby. Sir, quickly.
Karlenko. Karlenko! The second key. Vortex is KGB. Yes. CIA. Yes. Yes.
MI7.
Unbelievable. A vole in MI7.
A mole, sir.
What?
There's a mole in MI7.
There's a mole and a vole.
No, sir, there's a mole, not a vole.
Well, I disagree. There's certainly a vole. I mean, we know that much. But what you're saying is there might be a mole as well.
Pegasus. There's a meeting at MI7 with the Prime Minister.
And here again, eyes down and to the left, indicating descent. With Yang Ping, it's all about the eyes.
Thank you, Miss Sumner. If the talks go ahead, I'd like you with us.
Yes, Prime Minister.
Good evening, gentlemen.
Mr. English.
Miss Sumner. Right. So, when is the Prime Minister going to grace us with his presence?
I'm the Prime Minister.
Yeah, you wish. All right, so we're all here.
These talks with China are of paramount importance. Rogue states in Southeast Asia have begun secretly to develop nuclear weapons. It is vital that we get China on side. Traditionally, China has been impervious to our concerns, but I believe Xi Jinping, given the opportunity, can and will help defuse this situation.
Well, with his pro-West stance, it certainly offers an opportunity. But the talks can't go ahead unless we can guarantee his safety.
I believe with the correct security that we can.
If Vortex is operational, it's just too dangerous.
I'm inclined to agree, Prime Minister.
There is a way. The Swiss are willing to lend us La Bastion.
Now, that's their government fortress in the Alps. It's a stunning example of architectural engineering at altitude. And completely impregnable. I mean, that should solve all our security issues.
Then the talks go ahead. Pamela, I hope you've brushed up on your Mandarin. I'd like you in the room with me. And your best man on security?
Yes, Prime Minister.
Where are we on Vortex?
English?
Vortex is 3 men. Fisher was 1. Karlenko was another. Karlenko was killed today on the orders of the 3rd.
Any leads?
Yes, but I need time.
We do not have time. We need to know the identity of the 3rd person in Vortex.
Give me 24 hours.
Another bottle of Romany Conti?
Of course. And would you like to choose dessert?
Yes. You.
And bring 2 spoons.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
So, come on, Johnny, what was it you wanted to ask me?
Simon, do you know what this is?
Some sort of key?
Karlenko and Fisher both had one, and they were both killed for them.
Well, give it to the boys at the lab. See?
Karlenko told me that the 3rd man in Vortex is in MI7.
And you believed him?
Simon, I have to ask you a question, face to face. Do you have any idea who it might be?
Johnny, I thought you were about to accuse me.
No, honestly. What?
Simon Ambrose, the evil mastermind.
Don't stop it.
The traitor in our midst.
You. Oh, Simon, you are so funny. Oh, dear. Would you excuse me for 1 moment, Simon?
Sir.
Tucker, can't this wait?
Sir, it's Ambrose.
Yes, I know it's Ambrose. I'm having dinner with him.
No, he's the 3rd man in Vortex.
Simon Ambrose? He went to Eton. Ah, Simon.
Leave it.
What are you...
Move. All right. Come on, move.
Tucker?
You said you never knew Karlenko.
That's right.
Then how'd you explain these? I hacked into Karlenko's computer. You and him in Mozambique?
Sometimes I have trouble myself, old boy.
You're Vortex. You're the 3rd man in Vortex.
Tucker, this is ridiculous. Sorry, I'll be with you in just a tick.
It's true, I was in Mozambique.
What?
I was there because of Patch Quatermain.
Patch? Oh, sorry, I'll just be 1 second.
He's the man you're after.
You're bluffing.
Sorry.
I work for a secret organization inside MI7 set up specifically to bring him in.